Assalamu alaikum. This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online class and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I am going to conduct your English grammar class and it will be the revision class. Fine. Now let's come to the date. Today the date is 14 January 2021 and the day is Thursday. Okay, grade 5. Today I am going to conduct your future tenses, the class of future tenses. Fine. Today I'll explain you what are future tenses. Okay, class, before proceeding towards future simple tenses, you should have this thing in your mind when we have to use future simple tense. Fine. What are the uses? Like when we are going to use a structure of simple future tense, what are the things that we have to keep in our mind? Number one is when we predict a future event or situation. Like when we are going to predict, कहते हैं patient को ही करने को. When someone gives his own opinion about future situation, what is going to happen. ठीक है, for that we have to use simple future tense. For example, you can see here, I think that the white robot will win the race. Now white robot, maybe there is a race between the white robot and the black robot. So somebody is going to predict, ठीक है ना, अपना अंदाजा बता रहे कि white robot will win. So for that we will have to use simple future tense. सही है. Now second one is when we make decisions at the time of speaking. Meanwhile at the same time on the spot we take a decision. ठीक है ना? For that we have to use simple future tense. For example, you can see like this. What time do you want to meet tomorrow mornings? If somebody is going to ask you a question, तुम कब मिलोगे सुबह में? And at the same time you answer that person, I'll meet you at 10. So for that you will have to use simple. Okay, one thing you have to keep in your mind when you find such words, these are the key words. Fine. If you find such words in any sentence, so you have to think that these are the future simple tenses, simple sentences. Fine. Like you can see like tomorrow, next week, next Sunday, next year and soon. These all words tell about the future time. ठीक है ना, कि future में कोई काम होने वाला है. तो जब भी आपको किसी sentence में ये words मिलेंगे, these are the key words of future simple tense. Okay, now let's come to the formula. When we are going to make a future simple tense, this is the chart. Fine. There are three types of sentences: affirmative sentences, assertive sentences or positive sentences. These are the same name. ठीक है ना, जिसमें नहीं आता and full stop comes and the question is not asked. For example, I will go to market tomorrow. ठीक है ना. So this shows positivity. This is an affirmative sentence. So the formula to affirmative sentences: subject, then will, then verb with first form and then object. Whatever the subject that is, whether that is singular, plural, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, जितने भी subjects हैं singular, plural, उनके साथ after that we will use the helping verb will and then verb with first form is there. ठीक है ना. We never use second form, third form, any other form after will. And then object. ठीक है. Now the formula of negative sentences. What are negative sentences? That shows the negativity, जिसमें कोई नहीं की बात आ रही है. For example, like you can see over here the formula of negative sentences. This subject plus will and not आ जाएगा बस will के साथ. Okay, then verb with first form and then object. For example, you can say like that. We will not go to market tomorrow. ठीक है ना. So after we also we will have to use will not. In the previous old English, the people used to use I and along with I and we subject they used to use shall, but now will is almost all the time will is used. ठीक है. Now come to the interrogative form. Remember, when there is a question mark at the end of the sentence, that is an interrogative sentence, and in the very beginning you will find the helping verb. कोई सी भी अगर tense की form होगी. For example, this is indefinite, future indefinite, so helping verb will is there, so will be coming in the beginning. ठीक है. Will, then subject, verb with first form and then object. Fine. For example, you can say like that, will you visit your friend house tomorrow? So for that, like this is the formation over here. Will is gone in the beginning and then at the end question mark will be coming. So this is the interrogative sentence of future indefinite. Okay, class 5, you can see a number of examples over here. These are the sentences of future tense. They are in the affirmative form. Fine. You can see over here, and will visit me tomorrow. So visit is the first form. ठीक है. After will we will always use first form of verb and tomorrow is the keyword that is mostly seen in the future tense. ठीक है. And कल आएगी मेरे घर. Number second one is he will do his homework soon. वो जल्दी अपना काम कर लेगा. ठीक है. After will we have used first form of verb and soon shows about the future time. Okay, now the third one is they will play football next week. So after will we have used first form of verb and next week is there. Fine, next week shows the future time. So I'm giving you a very short activity to you guys. What you people have to do, don't have to do anything written, you just have to solve it into your mind. You just have to make these affirmative sentences into negative and interrogative sentence. For example, I'm telling one of the sentences for you. Anne will visit me tomorrow. Okay, this is affirmative. So what will be the negative of this? Anne will not visit me tomorrow. And the interrogative will be, will Anne visit me tomorrow? And at the end question mark will be coming. So you have to attempt second and third in your mind, and you have to make negative and interrogative form of these two. Okay, I guess class 5 your concept of future simple tense must have been cleared in your mind. You people do a very good preparation for the exam and take a very good care of your health. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.